Vernon, it's Good News Wednesday here. I'm Jof from Mohotel Adventures YouTube channel, and we are expecting our brand new stickers coming today. Also, a brand new product to do a video on tonight. So we are super stoked, and thanks for the opener. That Mr. Brightside was absolutely awesome, and it just got me right in the mood. Thanks a lot, Vernon. Great show. Catch you later. Boo!
I've had my instructions. Do not touch the beds. Caroline has been sorting out the beds today. Finally, the candy canes, the Christmas one, the bedding that we had at Christmas, finally disappears, and we're back to the blue Morrison Co. Beautiful. I'll explain this in a minute, but it's looking super blue in the back. Look at this, lovely. The Moho tonight is looking super sleek in the bedroom with a beautiful bedding back. That Morrison Co. bedding, look at that. Oh, nice. We've got a bit of mystic blue ambient lighting on as well. Look at them pillows, and I'm not allowed to touch. Anyway, back to the kind of like Moho life kind of thing. I was actually saying to Carol on the weekend, I'd still got my fridge covers on the outside of the motorhome, so the temperature is starting to rise up a bit now, so it's not going to be that long, and the fridge covers are coming back out again to give the back of the fridge plenty of ventilation. So it's something to think about if you haven't thought about it, so bear that one in mind. Apart from that, I think everything's pretty tickety-boo. We're starting to get in the vibe again of like spring, which is a good thing. It's starting to get that time of year. Anyway, but back to that kind of like opener. I was getting a bit stoked today, as it's Wednesday, and the Vernon K show on Radio 2. I thought I'd give him a quick voice note and try my luck, see if I could get on here. And I was out sort of driving around actually, and I sort of like, well, we'll see what happens. But it didn't sort of materialise. But I'm kind of like, I'm not worried anyway, because I'm going to use it for a YouTube opener. So that's what that's all about. But yeah, so new stickers, new product. What's going on, Jof? Well, it's kind of the sticker thing. I'll show you my latest stickers in a minute, but our original kind of like logo was pretty kind of iconic, and we're going to never lose that kind of, that is what this was all about from the very beginning. That is what my visualization of how this is evolved. I was actually thinking about brushing my hair then, but it's a bit late now really, isn't it? So this is how it's going to be tonight. a bit of like fresh out of the shower, a bit of tea, and let's have a look at the time. How are we doing for time? It's Wednesday night. It is the 4th of March, and it is 10 to 7. So I'm going to try and get myself motivated again, keep going, and I'm going to be back in ripping this video in a minute. But anyway, the reason I'm sort of like wearing this Merry Christmas Mohotel Adventures t-shirt is the fact that, well, you can only wear it at Christmas, so I've got to wear it out. But no, the fact is, like the brand, this kind of like branding that we've always sort of like kept with the Moho on there, the Mohotel. And anyway, I've got to show you my new stickers. So it's the parcel from Avery. How quick was these delivered? The design went in on Monday. I dropped the design in the website, and what day is it? Wednesday. They're back. Wednesday, UPS. In they come. So, and literally, I literally put these together on Friday, and I can't believe that I've got them already. Let's take a look. Oh, let's hit that button on the camera, Jof, and see if we can kind of get the true. I'm so happy with these stickers. They look so tidy, so glossy, so just evolution is just taking over. It's just the maddest thing. And I've already been busy with my scissors because we get sheets, so they print 4 on the sheet, and then they're individually cut out by Mon Cherie and made into a nice little pile. But look at the qual of that. Wow. And probably you're going to be asking the Grand European Tour. Are you asking that? The Grand European Tour. Well, most of the time we're touring Europe. But we're kind of always thinking about what is around the corner. And the Grand European Tour, a thing that's been on my mind for quite a long time actually. I've got this kind of like visualization of actually developing a kind of like board game, and it's starting to kind of like, I've been like working on it a little while, and of trying to get some things together, and I've just started trying to what do you need to do? What do you need to do to make a board game? Well, you need a like packaging, a box. So I'm going to put some quick pictures in, and you obviously need some like figures, what you're going to be like using to play the game, stuff like that. And obviously you'll need a kind of like board to play the game on. So early stages, I just wanted to like document this, and it's nice to like post it in to a particular date, because then obviously in the future I can look back and see what kind of like stage we were at this particular time. So it's always got like good reference for me. If there's anybody out there that sort of like who do you ask about this? There used to be like toy companies and stuff like that, don't they? Like board game companies. If anybody's watching that sort of like, and you're interested in communicating with me, my email is always in the description box, and we're always interested to get contacted by people that may be interested in taking on some of our crazy ideas that we've got like running around in this Mohotel head. But yeah, so things are evolving quite nicely. We've I'm tagging another one as well actually. I'm thinking about you know, the people from Blue A. Look guys, you really need to get yourself some good graphics on your power stations now. Something that's a little bit more funky, you know, you need some funky designs, and we've got the ideas, we got the funky designs, and yeah, that's basically what it's all about. But yeah, just a little marker on our period of crazy lifestyle at Mohotel Adventures YouTube channel. But it's always a pleasure, and yeah, and that's basically like our kind of like branding, how we're like kind of like using it to go on, move on to different areas, and we've got so many things going on. It's just absolutely insane. Yeah, as well as trying to put trips together and stuff like that. Oh, and the new product, So the new product did not actually arrive today. So tomorrow, hopefully, the new product will be arriving on our doorsteps. So hopefully, when we get that product, I'm hoping to get the vlog out ASAP, because I'm super stoked about it. And yeah, it's all good. So I think that'll kind of like probably do me tonight for a little vlog of like this marker of Mohotelness. Okay, and hey, leave us a comment on the what do you think about these incredible stickers? Oh, I'm really, like I say, personally, for me, it's a great kind of time again to see how the evolution is come on over the period of time that we've been like running, and yeah, well chuffed. So and yeah, maybe we'll catch up with you at some point. I think what we're going to actually do, we might actually save these for personal people that we meet along the way. What do you think? How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, because I'm super busy making out envelopes and stuff like that. So we'll see what pans out, and we look forward to seeing you. We've just had an incredible weekend down at Cofton again. As you know, the Cofton holiday thing is incredible. I'm always like going on about it, but we sort of like use that holiday park, and again, we met some incredible people again over the weekend. Them kind of people that just walk up and say, Jof, we are here because we watch you down here having a good time and we want to join you. So absolutely fantastic to meet all you guys over the weekend that we bumped into down there. Mental music, mayhem, and absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to leave this video there, guys, because what time is it now? It's just past 7 o'clock on a Wednesday night, so I'm going to rip this video, get it out hopefully by about 8:30, and you'll be watching it later on. So thanks for watching, and look forward to any comments on this crazy scenario that's going on at the moment. And it's all good. It's all absolutely smiley faces. It's Happy Wednesday. What was it Vernon called it? I'll leave it in the ending. Here we go then. Let's go.
Whoosh. YouTube channel, and we are expecting our brand new stickers coming today. Also, a brand new product to do a video on tonight. So we are super stoked. And thanks for the opener. That Mr. Brightside was absolutely awesome, and it just got me right in the mood. Thanks a lot, Vernon. Great show. Catch you later. Boo.